We were very excited for the events on July 18th. This was the first planned demo event. So this brought in companies across of the Alberta RTM trials, from GeoVera, McElhaney, SAIT, SmartFleet. We had Transport Canada even on the call and monitoring. Today I'm joined by Tim Tuxworth from SmartFleet. He was a field observer and technical consultant on the July 18th demonstration event we had as part of the iART. And so we've asked Tim to join us and replay and reintroduce the activities of that day and kind of share his perspective of what happened on that day and what's happening in the iART.
I joined the crew at the Flight Operations Center in Josephsburg. I was there for the pilots meeting, everything getting configured and set up, and then the launch. I watched the plane head off into the sky and take off on that first flight. It was great to see.
There was a road closure, so we landed the aircraft on the road. We repacked it up and went across the river.
I was there when the second flight was just about to start. The plane took off into the air and started flying again beautifully. It was just about ready to jump in my car and start following the plane to the next location when I heard on the real-time feed that there had been a return to launch, unplanned. We didn't really know why at that point, and the plane came back and landed. Then I heard the, over-the-air description of it's going to be a scrub. We're going to do the safe and appropriate thing, pack everything up and head back to the operations center. So I came back in here, grabbed my slice of pizza with everyone else and started trying to figure out what went wrong, and was part of the whole team when we analyzed the problem and came up with what was, in the end, pretty clear answer as to two simple things that we can deal with next time to make sure that we don't have such a thing happen again.
Ultimately, we want to share the knowledge, right? We want to bring up the capabilities and understanding of the industry. I think it was an amazing opportunity bringing all of these different companies and organizations together. We had a lot of learnings. We're going to roll that into our next demonstration event in September and in October.
I'm really looking forward to where the RTM trials go forward and being part of it with SmartFleet and AIRmarket.